So here I am in the Norfolk Living Kitchens show house in Holme, and I'm in the boot room, which as you can see is really rather lovely. Lots of wonderful storage, a nice place to sit, put on your boots, put your umbrella in there or your shooting stick. And here we have two very sweet little dog beds. They've got a little grill to talk through and have a chat. And then the fantastic thing is the very clever hidden food bowls. You tap the section there, the panel under the dog beds, and out pops a little metallic dog bowl. So they can gobble up their food and then rinse the bowl out, put it back in, and then you very simply tap it, gently tap it back in, and away it goes, hidden away from sight.